this classic. I know Tom Gillis. Good friend of mine. What is this? Oh, it's a C500 cab. But look at that. 13 speed. Oh man, I bet this thing's hauled a lot of logs. Cab closes up real nice. I don't think I think I know the guy that owns this truck, actually. I do think that I recall from back in the day when it was hauling logs. Oh yeah, guys, right there. That's the view you like. Uh-huh. I like those bullet mufflers. Those things are sweet. I had twin bullet mufflers on my log truck. 5-inch in, 6-inch out. Pretty cool. And Hendrickson walking beam. Yeah. Kind of small looking rear ends though. Oh, could be wrong. They look like 44,000 pound rears or something. But that is just an uneducated guess. Not very big. Pretty cool truck though. I remember Tom Gillis drove this truck that the cab's off of to it was a senior project day, and it was a self loader, and he turned up in this truck, and all of us near graduates climbed up in the seat and sat in the cab, and he said, "Now next time you pull out in front of a big truck, just think about this view over the hood and how a small car can hide out in front and the truck driver can't see you." So yeah, anyhow, Tom's a real nice guy. Tom and Roberta Gillis. So anyhow, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe and hit the bell on the end for all the updates. And thank you very much everyone that's already a part of this channel. Check out my top subscriptions on my main page. Got West Coast Logging, Alex Esgate, G&S Logging, SWN02, Stump Jumper Videos, Logger Wade, Caught on Top 3, Jimmy Legs 75, Skadill, Taxium Canadian, Horsefaller, Logger Guy, Old School Logging, and there's a few others that I can't recall off the top of my head, but great people, great content. Check them out, subscribe, hit the bell in the end. Have a great day. Bye now.